governance perspective, Professor, what should Ateneo be doing right now to assure the families, primarily, and the public that a full accounting is taking place?
Right after the tragedy, when they became silent. Silence is interpreted by many people as guilt. First they were silent. They should have. There are three aspects of a crisis communication system that should be put in place by all institutions. First, you must admit that there is a problem. You must admit that a tragedy happened. That has to be very clear. You cannot escape from that. Second, you must inform the stakeholders that there is action being taken by the institution so that the event will not happen in the future. And your actions should have a mechanism of transparency, of caring for the people who are affected, of making sure that the affected families are taken care of. What I am very surprised at, because Ateneo is a top university, not only the silence, they did not even reach out to the family immediately. It had to take some other people to pay the airfare of the parent to see her dead child. I cannot imagine why Ateneo allowed this to happen. They should have reached out to the family immediately, told the family of the tragedy, told them that something is being done about it, and taken care of them so that they can come to Manila, look at the child that died, and assuage them that the university is on top of the situation and is acting on it.
Well, sir, Professor Popoy, why do you think Ateneo is silent about this incident?
I speculate. I said I am surprised that a top university like Ateneo would act this way. I am very surprised because, I was with the University of the Philippine System. I was Vice President for Public Affairs under President Fred Pascual. And we had tragedies during our time. But it did not spiral out of control like what is happening now. I was the Vice President for Public Affairs, and when we had tragedies in the university, when students died, not just in UP Diliman, but also in UP Los Baños, etc., we acted immediately. We had a crisis communication system in place through me as Vice President for Public Affairs and the information directors of each campus, and we acted immediately. Okay. So nothing of this magnitude happened at the time because we acted immediately, and we acted with dispatch, and we were compassionate. We showed that the university cared for the students, and we did not let lawyers dictate what we are going to do. It was the president of the university, myself, the chancellors of the campuses that decided. We purposely did not let the lawyers dictate on what we are going to do.
No.